Hello. When we write, we begin by planning and organizing our ideas. This is called pre-writing. Imagine you're writing about an ecosystem. The ocean is one ecosystem. The forest is another. Which ecosystem would you write about? Time to pre-write. First, write your assignment. Description of an ecosystem. Now, list whatever topic ideas come to your mind. That's called brainstorming. What are some cool ecosystems? How about ocean, forest, grassland, tundra, or desert? Now, pick a topic. Which is most interesting to you? Suppose you choose the grassland ecosystem. What's next? Free writing. Write down anything that comes to mind about your topic. Don't worry about grammar and spelling. Here is a free writing example. Grasslands have low-growing plants, grasses and wildflowers. Not enough rain to grow tall trees. Hot summer and a cold winter. On every continent except Antarctica. Cover 1/4 of Earth. Next, use a graphic organizer to organize the information in your free writing. Start with the topic, grasslands. Then write the categories for that topic. The categories are climate, land, animals, and location. List some facts about each category. You'll include those facts when you write. What's next? You have your ideas on paper, but you might need more information. You can use books or the internet to learn more about your topic. Then you will add the new information to your paper. Now you know how to pre-write. You're ready for the next step of the writing process. See you next time.